right, check it out time, 3:30. Adom 106.3 FM. Now, friend Jerry Justice, and then so Janipe said, Mino Ishia, Ofie Kwanso media so Adom 106.3 FM. Free Sabi Kopim Sebebo, and you may no see. Now, Patrol, wouldn't him said there every Tuesday, bia. Show no, the bro. Tuesdays, bia no. The bro no confessions. You sim kunya. Now, you share problems I tete. Adia amayen kodana yeda yentimi na de amayen adwendwen de etimi ma eprayen na fe utimi se onyare so wo fon ade ne how but you can't cope with it etete wunya ya na nka wonni sa situation mu but unhu kwan ya wo fanfa so eduru a na wafre umbo odi nkyerɛn na waka asɛm na kyerɛn na said the debia ya mekano nyame enam counselor Oscar Sripiso yebemu akwankyerɛ na wonso atimi afisa situation mu na wonso a wo fie a wutie yen ebia wo similar situation ana ebi kura wo de oni hwe but de be piem afimu aba no na odi bi aye futuo e de aka wabrabɔ no ho atimi aboa ko anim na wonso ankoton so hwe ana amane bi a etisa mu eno any confessions every Tuesday yeah the bro I will feel consumed so Adom 106.3 FM but usually the last Tuesday of every month no aya na counselor be kan yensa e wo studio na no de yemia homa no ntum na emumu no ye hyeda yi issue ba ko bi si wa e hadwen pa na buamu abiebie mu a chechiri mu a mayate ho ase yi ye dia ye futu na ye koye baby every last Tuesday bia of every month bia na yensa but the previous month no because of AFCON intino wantimi amba nti ye de ye hwanim kwan say anka the last Tuesday of this month July na ka yamanaba na eneminim from abi boy e boa na hwi sometime ne be fa no so we no me be yi bi na me cha wakona me dey bi this year no ye ne eti patro ne no wo frɛ direct na chese ono awa ha no na wa biebie mu dia ma tino ye mfrɛ na homa so ne na kasa ti ma me diga ma na kwa ba kra na fi mimia homa no tum counselor mu akwa ba
yare me joso
na ohuna mu boko de
ya me Adom chieti fo ni
chiefo joso fine pa
me baba
fine pa say enchana ye enchana wan ko keke say nu wie ne de na still na the last Tuesday of the month so do an so ana wa bana fi ye de no ato so quickly ni mi a o man tum na fi amount for fa issues nimra it in patron numbers to call here 0302 216 561 afi 0302 216 562 TBM 0302 216 561 and 0302 216 562 uni problem a men frame tie cancer asem no because e bia na wo call na block you be a problem chance na no call na ntimi an get it through and so sa uni pa kunu hiamwa to the only problem a sit back relax and listen na de obeti no onso de bi atumfo don't call but the our problem no ono na onfre patro fra member odin mention baby our free fee or they just go straight to the point and tell us what the problem is na counselor wa hai anu ye bia hu bia na mwa bia hu bia se de ma no ya ni sa e de amount and 0302 216 561 0302 216 562 first caller hello good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Me patro for say
Baby.
Oh, sorry. Mo fan chemi na ya na me say me yeah. Anyway, if I try just go straight to the point, I can't problem the chain.
Okay. If I think of idea. I'm married, but so me no me make lover. Anytime I just me fully out, and then on no big time a day for me to come. Now I listening from counselor and person who say and also amount to your friend say masturbation and generally me work from counselor.
We dey nyesa counselor ha nka me am bisa question but to the all head dey. We dey major dey amount no ana. I can person bisa say why is it that you cannot come in here? Just say you have to pull out for her to hold your manhood and sana what me is
number one ono yawo two person obeubiem and I think Okocha came from way the methods to hold her pregnancy no I say on system no on yes I don't know so I say I don't think the money is
it's not just a family planning methods ni na no e be a beje wife.
Yeah.
It's more style of family planning as you say more adapting yes sir.
Yeah.
Now condoms one per on.
Well, say I know it depends whether I go for the condom or when you say all the time now on any day you use condom.
So there's a reason why you pull out. You say already know solution no because there's a reason why we are son, and that is why you people are doing that because we feel some more reason to justify what you are saying because be out the gumo benyin say and I'm a boy.
Yes.
Now what about her cycle? Much me study. Say okay, be see this time she's free in this animal now. The other ones too you can yes you should be able to study that one too.
Honestly, she's the type if you want to make love with her, you go through struggle. So like you will have also be a hobby amount of time, so every month end maybe make love or something so you can plan. No, but this one there, no, it doesn't happen that way.
I get what you are saying, but my point is say at least muntrans in discussion, okay? Also sometimes no about the sex even people are married, no, they don't want to discuss those things. Yes, obi more worry about more ferry.
Yeah.
Can want them and be transparent about it. Because other than that, then you be doing things at the end of the day be conscious about how. And once you conscious able for no, it means that there's a problem. Okay. To the montrans and I'm discussing and say okay because of so and so be me the gumo benyin senior there no what's the best alternative be a best condom and I say BSC whatever it is no matter trans discuss it and I say at this time me free oba me chin be me I have to be 4 days continuous and 5 days continuous and then you hold onto that the be no also using wisdom so that we don't do things at the end of the day behind a conscience.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
You that's a pa and also friend me pacho next caller human so yintiu hello
Roger
pacho yamo akwaba yintiu asem adenam
Roger
afternoon
apo me
nyame adom
but me po how many say I'm gonna 18 years now. Hello
me pacho koso na yintiu pa
I'm gonna 18 years now. Bihu lady binam ka say me wa no and at the age of 20 no me need dating na all of a sudden you die but what the time what's up na Facebook abano me na me kwa sorry ba no ma bi me chat here na me kwa sorry here na kwa sorry 2 years but say am some why but not me again na yeah but my one die no no first man kwa sorry it is here yeah so when I get my understand say what we na say the same should be associate no padaba can from cancer.
Tama now no on issue ben dey see na muja ya say osu say wa hwa na san ba bi mu
issue bi ansi and I say ha na jai
na mo ma babak enti mo amuja na say mo amasan babak na osu usuro say wa hwe yi na mo san ja bi mu
so entertaining that fear say okay on say I didn't see you
yeah
say in a relationship no only be separate here there's some baggage if you don't deal with it about how it feel so usuru say she so be when accident da okotana kemu ya odo kan nkunya accident no usuru nti mu counselor no mu trans and a psychologist so that I can deal with that fear because once you know why you problem say hey girl we meaning until the separation see ya worry can one fear bit major you o decide no ka worry mo one hwe ni here the thoughts you have which is negative no can come to pass. Job say what I fear has come upon me. Oh, adia also so one year we will never one day abim.
Okay.
To see a psychologist and a counselor. No moon transit so that you can deal with it. Then you move on and say, okay, now that we have come back, no. For you know, and Yakuba will say the two of us will be a husband and wife, and that's how we are back. Look at the positive aspect of it instead of negative aspect. Go show positive as okay, yeah, we mean separate here, you're back. That's more positive. It means that you'll be a ben yamia meaning whatever instead of the negative aspect. Other than that, we went to this, we want along the line, not more jai.
All right, you. I guess I watch it. You, and that's it. Yan trust your fan next caller. Hello, good afternoon. If I show Bibia Boko there.
Yeah, Boko.
All right, it's you.
You program na make us free man to be.
If I show Cosna, it's you. Too bad. Program any day. Hello. Radio no do no na fe emunda ho na enko anim why. Aha, me patcho yet you.
Me oba bi nyati. Me oba na de kan oba ko. That when nya 3 years. Na me ne sambe nya ye fofofo. Aba bu
some worry and I said ye.
So what say now on net together so worry no.
Yes, so why never be worry na dem mami nyina mami omi nyina hia ma obi aya awo ana ni seto so yini de bab na na kasa nyɛ mu so no so ne mari si kwan asa onko trade wa kam nyɛ skam nyɛ fa onko to adwom no koe obai no anyam treman ana abusia kan ko yi sentubu em tinana tra no osanfa nyi sen fofo ana nso kisada majima de mahwema gina so yɛ no ho ade ntamo so yɛ be no ho ade ana so nyi sen na abase se nyɛ medde ne mu bi dia ana gusia fa na papa mu nyi no msiu sada onye de ofa nkoma ni road koma ni gura afi na okoye na wa wi afi yanhwe no odi gina me ba peni ni so aka tintin tia sanyi fi ni sine de media na anwoche ka say de ba msu ntira ma de man koye no so it's just o me the first year share me kon especially no ma me papa e the first share me kon so ma ju ho isi hu ne meye ohun aba en tempa no mo program ya ni mitete am tete me re because am adum bone na de ba mitrim ti mo program ya me dem tete me re ne cancel futu and it went in person hu se minni me ya no hwa kwara keto ano enka panini ho anase minya keto ano hwe me panini nko a ena de ba kwa ise am sola me dwen
me ba o se si anti ugusu ne ge no ho
se minni ni ho minni ho ba te ba panini wo ne nchen no ko mi wiski am mani bi
ena aware no so anya amaso oh
awale no so de awale no kele se na busia for pese e ba so ana so de se mi so mani ade mani ate ndaji mi take cancel futu ansa last kana ma ka se oba pe obi ma pa were so ko ti so bi butu ne so a o fa na no ahuru wa di mre de wa fa wa de na tra ho boko e ti se wa ko chia no asan ba mi nche ne chopa ana am so ro nyanto wa se ma me hu ne nyankopon be di nyawe be ye me e se mbesi me hu cancel futu wa be do betim da ma me na mo hu se na me de me ye no
you Councillor Radio Osempa also do what future answer. You right, it already so.
Our no there's a psychological aspect of it. Yes, this will be because so yeah now our meaning dada. The psychological issue bit me handle na. Is this something you can handle?
Yeah.
No so be work out see unye virgin on no person be worry. Obi want to mean jina say obi ni dada. Which is psychological. Obi so on fano.
Yeah.
Thought you see. Obi me worry obi oba. Emfa no. Obi so obi on to mean yes sir. So there's a psychological aspect of marriage. Now that Onankasa see second one in Yanidia, get the can you no be any say no. So worry no obet me trust no na.
We there I say minimum can be pa on ma difference 3 different women. Omu na wasi dan ma 3 ni na omu team anya omba o say don pe bi obaya mom why because on pese obi be
so you say so on person obi be it cannot stand that. So the point is get nankasa say second one no nya guy ni ba and wa kwa about say guy ni ba so psychologically no is the guy prepared for that. So when you prepared doesn't matter whatever anybody is saying. Move on. Because there's a psychological aspect.
If you can't stand that thing.
Cut on. Into BC or no, apart from veg, you want to be worried beer. Because when you say beer, on the one who because a girl will come in another day. I
no wife will be able to give me and breaking the virgin to you.
Obi want to me. Obi so infano.
Yeah.
So you must know who you are. So once you know, say because of what has happened, mean to me worry no. Move on. In any case, get Nagasa say nyoba. Now that Osio Ebano, then you have to prove.
Yeah.
Proving James say me ba. Forget about it. No concentrate on the boy non channel.
Yeah.
The point is that Momo be enforcing into marriage. Because omo corner problems ba. Not psychological to me handle that a bit how are you?
Yeah. And at that time, you'll be the one to suffer. And
I'm saying that, look, Jerry, don't allow anybody to force you into marriage. It doesn't matter who that person is. And don't force anybody into marriage.
Yeah.
Because you call no challenges in this start here. You won't say no why confused. Look, Jack, once initially again say you a nyoba, wakwa or see yoba. Let her prove. Says
yeah.
The onus is on her to prove. And I'm a boy because I don't know also. And if psychologically you cannot stand that on your yere, okay? When you be on in the reti and Yako Fanichu, we are your yere or only no woba, okay? The men found think she be one day over bread. Sit down with the lady or sit second 1 year bar. Let her prove it. When you mean prove here, move on with your life and take care of your son.
Okay. Your fan next caller. Hello. Hello, next caller. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Me patro to say.
You
patro eat you.
With a boss story, kaka. Patro. Brother, my two film in Kuala Rim. None of the Aquania Basse, no, Eka. Means so many of you for 3 years. Brother, me, Nimiam Poda. Ne mammy, ne papa. Me catch her and say, on farming call if ye. Na me na busia ana ni sister mpo me ka o de ene ochina ene ochina my confused min hu de amenye and so there I me anisa me obi amenka me mpekasa and me an so me run me company na the thing is if or party
only neti
never tried Debbie.
Oti baby na also ti baby.
Ah yeah.
And only baby oti na also name baby oti.
Only the only baby I'm
and also only baby oti.
Debbie.
You have been with them for 3 years.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you na enko?
Me name baby oti. But or party or me wa as a pressure. There will be some more pressure no. And then and you be a mempekasa. Bebre and me will be so a family juma home in Fandiagro. And me I make her say, since I was born, in me mammy name papa. The fact. In Adom Nedimia bedroom pensuri. Inti ama in life mono my breath intimate person made my life better chacha. Maka many times I say calm a story in
why 3 years chacha.
Already what to chacha 3
why 3 years chacha. Now the point is yankosu. One. And no CD I didn't know on contribution for no.
I don't know
after 3 years.
3 years, August in 3 years.
But your TD mekano. Tipa. Number one. It doesn't say again on you be sushi. And now, Odu waka ho.
Your person relatives ni be hu.
Nto mpesa. Bia odi nipa na kochire ne busuan for dada. So ne busuan for no nim nipa no, but omu nim o. But for all you know no, who say wonu betumi aboa no financially. And because of the year now can say we ojuma on face be the one can say running company no. Who say hana meet no wo. O ho na meet no wo. The other side be a hoe Sakura. Until on person no be busa for. That's number one. Because you see, you go warrior. Whether you like it or not, so who busa for. And so the day Musa never do baby, they should move on.
Me you be so.
Number two.
Faster me pacho
Okay, you do.
Mebo. Me you be so me need to be here say ebia ennamu ne sa me na wana mempe.
And then I make you say, oh, hold on a meeting. Oh, the other one, onya sexual satisfaction if you hold. And or the bio or dini panakochi ni busia for. Until to prevent everything, nobody say tobo. After 3 years, as you know, kasa neno. Me person the only kasa man ultimatum. Catcher is say by the weekend, this weekend. So one for one, call the busia for her. Good relationship.
That was last year, and I'm catching and say last year October, and I'm catching and say my man up to this year February. Say man Kofia,
so why are you still hanging on?
No, my excuse catch him say me now till now.
Unye waje so bejan ti the mekano. Weekend we. Catch him say one coach we busa for. That's the end of the relationship. It doesn't matter what she says. Forget about her. Number two. Oh, for you know, nipa na only dealing. Be only nipa o. You are seeing a team yesu. Oh, ni you oh see assassinate to no yesu. Nti ya ni na mo no, wo eni a. You see wo eni a. You see say obi wo kra. Onye so ben no. No problem. Means otie. So for all you know, be a nipa no only deal no nipa. And you must be very careful. And then I say, by this weekend, and ne friend no catch say weekend way. So one coach ne busa fuel, you want to go off.
Yeah.
Okay? And stand by that. You don't compromise. Because after 3 years, when you been 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, now why you be why is the person why nipa no. The first thing that the person does no be kubusa for because the person is excited about the relationship. So for 3 years, now still busa for no. That girl is taking you for granted. And the time has come for you to wake up. Sorry. Na jina unas na mageni who say she cannot take you for granted.
Sure.
And that who say meet say sex near the no. Until last me say
yeah.
Those guys were good. Meet with a heavy. But there's another person for all you know introduce you. Put your feet down now. As we would see and then now stop it. If by this weekend only contribution forward they are cut off that relationship. The other women, better women in the system. I will be sure be. Other than that, do you see and I say they say by the time realize what you to then she will move on with her life.
Yeah, for next one. Hello, good afternoon. Hello,
Brad Jerry.
yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Me pacho yetio.
Yo. Now, me pacho, come let's like a crash. We bet me I am off air because man say me nipa no only me voice na odie mo pa so say we bet me I am off air mamia.
Off air no e be den atimi ahunu aso na aboy ne. O dey try so be kasa ma o kasa no be yi kakra. So on kan ba bia o frefi e na on bo odin so ntino. Why?
Okay. Yo. With like program no more and so many power because since I'm start a program we know but she and Emma be and I like build them up mommy who be out there with them nice program in fact they are very interested. Anyway, now madam will be the wolf here. Now of women, if I don't want me or women. And the make what you mumurapo. And you may almost not be over 2 years. The later and a brother there who decide yes, like or coffee or coffee. If you already come for now, which are like in a name, Palawa, I see. And you are men many of Monanti, Yabakwa, so the big guy, maybe here, and I'm in Monanti. And I later away, or Monso, and Poof. Now, go to be in the same sister. I said, this are also one. I mean, no more tonight, anymore movie theater. By not behind that wall, and then almost share apartment. The sister don't go on a part to send the set. I did give me so be the Anama. Yeah, that didn't know why maybe. It's this sounds is overdo, you know. Why I say, of a show sign back or back. But the passport to add and the passport to and this is, you know. Although no treasure, they may have new fruit the end support of better yaba. But no treasure, maybe the maybe our sister. Now, Umbra, and I mention they have a party stand the I am in now. Me who acquire my passport, I made make us a membuano. And now, the being so actually, my dear son said, no, and yes, a medical government wouldn't prove it. Say, if you are on your passport, on time, Embra. And so, like I say, or say, Membuano now, because or not here, FSA or Baba, and the process of photos of a man, or a man.
But only Nikuna discussing.
Okay.
Only Nikuna discussions about that issue.
No. Discussions.
Before you make any move, no. Nini Krutras Namun discuss it first. Whatever the husband says, no, go with it. Because one year, no, so why your papa no go buana. You go my warrior, you baby some questions. Okay. Yes, why your papa? But because you are worried, no, have a discussion with the husband first before you make any move. Other than that, no. One day could be a kiss you be on again, no more show. Until I will force and I will go on Ghana. Be very careful.
And like, or on the show or Ghana, but I remember outside.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. That don't have discussions with the husband first before you bring her over to wherever the two of you are. Other than that, no. It's never said be an only show. Until I am waba baby, I'm waba back. No, she's a married person. And the husband knows why he's doing that. The Bomodiana and create discussions in the first before you make any move.
Okay.
All right.
And on a moment, I never go say, even Mema can't tell the on your day, or can't you not even so only in our problem. Okay. Said it till the Sabia, Pepper say, Obua Mena,
yes, say she doesn't want to do that. And a Nikunsun Peso Beba. And a Nikunsun Peso Beba. And to cut matters short, no, because of my worry, no, Nini couldn't have discussions first. Other than that, one day, Papa no koyeno, one shiny, a baby before. They are married people, and so you must be very careful.
All right, yeah, that's a pa. You have a last caller. Nah, yeah, DSC. Hello. Good afternoon. Me patro you. Hello?
Yeah, brother.
Yeah. Sorry about that. You patro you.
Yeah. Opportunity.
Man bo dinche, o de kan
wasem. Me bo me din card, no problem.
You.
I made discussion with you and me live me pa. No so many me quarantine down wo if you wrong. Now me quarantine for 2 years. For bank of your order because none of my obi onim there in there they are suffering. Into the chief year on na me landlady on the back like I'm your change. It's not back on the guy. Get to an guy no not the Richard. Or not or ministry you know did the another lady in the castle what they change in the penny in the mommy. Also the metal the Richard. It's a prayer Richard home the what they no can. It could do me the time a bandit in what is standing. After a mammy lose control one day, many expect. After that, on a day 2 weeks, 1 month, and so on. So no problem, only my meaning to me abortion. So only my day I'm asked. And I'm a fair me copy and born, and I'm a Nti me popi maame no ene ne mba mpemfo ekasa ese ya arrange na de sesi ebeye no ya beye na me dey pen yes you 2-3 months okobese ne brother owo baby oba ye no na obidi na mbisa no say den ye no ne brother mama na due say onya abortion no mo de ne the first school I'm so okay nti me ka share me popi na popi so ene say dey anka me call lodge complain police station na in case of the BB again now me no be ka te mama na due no nti me ho be kire me na me say hwenya nti me na me say man ka de ko top pad so mpancha emoja no and I'm going to forget here. Way back to 3 months, to 6 months back, me call village, me call popi. Me no almost friend, me say, you then again, me call you and I need you. And I'm a boy, me papa man, if you say anything, I think that's a man back, and I'm in the service. So me buy and I'm the soul, me pastor me. The end time, the I'm a sorry and pastor. Already, my dick can't come to me home, our bonnie. And he said, Akwala no ma kujina nye me accept pregnancy because we be me what na tem. Nyanko pompe ni me di akwala no be ye wasasi. Ana me ye de me di nyinsen. Te no mu no me di nyinsen me papa de wani pa o ko na ntie. Papa ka che me say mama mani ana nyinsen na amade no. Wan he de me be ko so he no ha mu pa. And brother to be honest with you. Me brother because yeah no 6 months na mbedi ye no. Me by 2 months 2 weeks time. And I yale and you didn't call hospital. You didn't so La General Hospital for 3 months. No baby, no home. Nina at the dam, so a canina. You are the bush and force it. Many and one day. It's a canina. And look after that, and a Kayana operation at the Akalanshi incubator. Mina after that, you know, the birth. You almost almost give me question, and I'm the Mao. And Kaka na Badel like, yeah. Ati wabeti na gay is nothing minya ko krempa problem no ante menchen the number so ti omu fie ho a nti menini nua ketwa o mami nua ba ketwa menene kasakra o se menene ewo bibie ina se my fed up na me too free pure kwatana for rented down baby for nti after that no ba baby am tin be gumeni ma se menena wo na mejane agya no menhwe no one day me wo ha no mo be serve me let say o me de me call waju me ko case no date no so ye call waju no
mini bon tofa kakra ma na
and after waju no ye bi asem ne ma me say ma asem ye de nti from then every month bia no na me makwala ne 150 cedi me to akwala ne ho ne ma nyina yajeli ensu di dim sa stay no ogusu begu mani ma se ana me sister mo frɛ me so like they were me ma me wo ha nti kwala ne ya gye nyepe nti me sa accepting because no mo the chop anam to person and me anam ta gye no nti ahobua mu ye de be wa na nyinsen bae nyinsen no bae no ana ntokota esie no se kwala ni nyina anye de enye me mba ani entamati tete ma current be bia mo ne kwala no kwala ni mi ni but so o person me ware no no mo the chop anam se me ware no nti mama ye community tamo so can go me so say
sorry no wa ama airtime no croissant and is a cat no yasem
on se ni papa tu ne fo ba wenti
papa na futu
uti anke bebo an sometimes in the name of I didn't even say me dowe
sa kumai
oh the moment ejomambo started was our relationship no ya timu ntema edin John Madi we ku ho
yeah
nti ye kanyina ho mpene
yeah
ena okoye ena kan ena obetena ne nchen ena nyinsa be mu and he said that yourself okwaso okoka je ne pastor and the pastor told him say already no ba ku dada ena sade ne ba so nobody knows what to come out of that child he did not learn and he's taking the grace of God for granted he's taking for granted so kwa sorry you and that's what we do the be boni na nyankobodi a chen ne yakọ no dey aba ne yakọ ne aba ne yakọ first of all so kwa sorry pastor ne na kasa first one tie no he didn't learn and then and my sisters ne me kana ebusuafo ne woni me kasa nti wo won kasa wa bra bo no eno dey emfa ho oni nyankobodi relationship no emfa ho you are ready to please people you see and go against Nami. in the name of me na omo me kasa na we me kasa. Jack, now see ni papa sin kora me nu nya ne mba. No mo kotena baby. As if ordinary brabo diagro. Inia, be very careful the way you are living your life. Because one year, by the time you realize, you know, I will try. Ebusianfo no mo si enya hwe no, they are not even encouraging you to marry. They are not encouraging you to marry you. All they are saying is enya hwe jom on sane no, no akọ, no nanyim, no mo hihye ho. By the time realize no na 3 4. Then what's the one they say, oh, enya we kra na mpese me ware no, na mpese me ware nipa foforo. Know what you are looking for. Na make no. Yes, sometimes what me obi wo. Sometimes whatever happens, nan only nipa nanyim. Person be ware nipa no, manipa no hu se me mpese me ware. You don't marry out of pity. I repeat. You do not marry anybody out of sympathy. Go for baby sana mo ye. Oh guy, we know your madam for me na anti say me janu poa. Any sympathy. And that's what he's doing. Oh, me na ubaku. Enya hwe say be say no na Christopher. No wo. No moko. Be very careful. Ofie say nkwara ne nya wo dia. There are ways I'll bet me a funny out. To see I know. There are ways I'll bet me a funny and that's one. Number 2. After what funny out and you have the right to say girl we know penny subano me pese me wari and me pese me wari no. You have it. But say on say okay you can answer mo on can on any the opel on my sisters and busanfo and we what are you looking for? One kasano in that relationship no, what are your expectations? You know what she say? Is that the right person you want to marry or not? But not what people are saying. Because the man for can influence your judgment in marriage. When you begin to have problems, they will not be there. So on one kasano, what is he looking? What is he looking for? What are his expectations as far as that relationship is concerned? What is he looking for? Also, who the open and your expectations in that relationship, not what people are saying. And I'm highly disappointed. Sir, Unubia Koboy Jamai. Let's call a speed a speed. Unubia Koboy Jamai. Nankupon Diacho, okay? Nin Sabim, Geni Traboshi, and Yejuma. And Papa say, okay, say, right? No, Koji, get it back. Obia Usru Nyamianka. Can we see a out of that? We don't learn. And once you don't learn, you continue to make mistakes. Because say hono, obo say oh manye titi. Now before obeba mchen kra no, yen worry. And so why there? Waba. But he's not doing that. And obai and anyi se be mu. As if for the brabo diagro. Please know what you are looking for in that relationship. Find out what inquiring your dear. I mean this issue of when you dear no, they have means now to find out. Once you find out what I'm calling you no, then you know what that this game person me worry no, and I mean person me worry no. Know what you are looking for, and know what people are saying. Because who worry because of what people are saying. Now challenges in starting what worry more. Obenu.
Council I better was here so na ne kwakran sana be kono say eja say oba dia na de futu ba ku twa to man na fi.
So na say me tie. You got your say counselor trainee. And
so over here na je say.
Nyanka ndek remember omeba.
Squad no
kana me kama dwentro na me ko. Kama tena makaka madwatro. Sem ka tende ma ba me ba besram.
Omeba.
Yeri abrabo na ye bonu. Obi ni mo china o. I'm telling you. Obi ni so china, Jerry will be the vice president of this. Nobody knows. So be any more china. And because you don't know that, be very careful. Bema na onini de dan de no. Bema no ma mema ni oda no. One day, be a bema be onu be kofi no, be a ni kazi. Who tia ni naso get we useless. Yeah. China uchino. Be very careful. Nobody knows tomorrow. Until you hold there, be very careful about the things you are doing now. Because one thing in China, those same things will come at you. Be very careful. Oh, you're young and now officer. They be a man more power. Only say about him, I'm not so on. Yes. But Bema say no nda. Odum suffer ni tim kakra. No so na bodu muti say Jerry dia. We want why weak. Women have power.
Sure.
And they must use it positively. Nobody knows tomorrow. The way Uje Jahona Kwame no da. Na Kujoni Udano. Or Chinebi. Obi Fisebu Sim no person worry wa. Be a Satan why ready. Now Kwame and Kuji Tian and also say, get away. Be using it. No one shiny here. And never to max. Be very, very careful. What you are doing today can come at you tomorrow. I mean, she'll be a.
We shall also counsel that's a pa. Tinacha said, Ned, the 2 year home for no, and I counsel their man.